Myself Sanjay Sharma, and I want to tell you that now we are going to start a new chapter, life process of biology of class 10 science. We will start with the basics that, that food is related with nutrition. Food provides us nutrition which we have studied in 6th standard. Now in 10th class it is related with the chapter life process. The first process which is very important for us is nutrition. So we will start from the definition of nutrients. The nutrients, I am telling you what is nutrients. Nutrients are the components which are provided by the food for us to provide us energy and other things. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. All of this which we have studied in basics from 6 to 9, this is related with that. And now in this chapter we have to study the nutrition and the modes of nutrition. So first of all we have to start the definition of nutrition. So we should understand that we take food inside our body from mouth. So the definition becomes the process of intake of nutrients is called nutrition. But this is not the complete definition. The definition is the process of intake of nutrients and its proper utilization is called nutrition. I repeat, the process of intake of nutrients and its utilization is called nutrition. Is it clear? Now we have to do what are its types. There are two main types, autotrophic mode of nutrition and then heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Again, this autotrophic we have studied in 6th class. Autotrophic mode of nutrition, the definition is the mode of nutrition in which an organism prepares its own food is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. So we can say its example is green plants and the other example is blue-green algae. So that we will have to revise the definition of photosynthesis as well. So what is the definition of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, we will rememorize it. Green plants can prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, but in which presence? In the presence of sunlight and in chlorophyll. Chlorophyll which is present in leaves of the plants. This is the basic definition which we have studied. Now I am repeating it from the whiteboard. The nutrients. What are the nutrients? The components of food which provide nutrition to organisms. For example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins. Nutrition, the process of intake of nutrients. We have to intake these nutrients. Not only intake, but its utilization is must. Then nutrition is complete. Now, why we need this nutrition? We all know that food provides us energy. So this energy is used to perform various activities. And the second main point is for growth and repair. Now, which is important for 10th class, we have to study modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. There are two modes of nutrition. In this video, I am going to tell you about only of autotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which an organism prepares its own food. For example, green plants and blue-green algae. We all know that green plants can prepare their own food due to the presence of chlorophyll, and we all know that chlorophyll is present in leaves. And if anyone asks you where actually the chlorophyll is present, you will have to tell and give the answer, the chloroplast. This is my first video which I have started during this pandemic period for the welfare of the students. If you like this video, then give the like and please subscribe my channel which is Aju Hub. Okay, we will meet in next video. We will discuss the heterotrophic and the types of heterotrophic nutrition, and we will clear the topic of photosynthesis as well. Thank you.